let's start with chapter number 7, a visit to the Taj Mahal. Raman was in the queue for ticket. Raman एक queue में लगा हुआ था, line में लगा था for the ticket of the National Museum, Taj Mahal. He had heard that the museum had a special show that gave a virtual tour of historical building. He collected his ticket and went towards a big room that had the sign Tower Hall. जिसके पास sign था किसका Tower Hall का. The ticket checker at the entrance handed him a funny-looking helmet that had a small keypad line that of mobile phone attached to. उसमें एक mobile phone attached था. He went in and the usher helped him to find out the seat in the hall. और जो usher था उसने help करी उसको seat find करने में. I will show you how to use the helmet. Usher said. He showed Raman how to enter his name from the program using keypad. He could choose which monument to visit. और इससे ही तुम चूज कर सकते हो तुम्हें कौन से monument में visit करना. Now Raman chose the Taj Mahal at the Agra. He put his helmet on and fastened his seat belt and pressed the green button on the keypad. अब वो green keypad में क्या करता है? Green button को दबाता है. Raman was immediately transported to the city square in Agra. In 1654, it was pleasant moonlit evening. Raman was surprised. Raman was surprised हुआ देख के. A young man welcomed him. The man introduced himself as Somnath and said that he was Raman's virtual tour guide. Soon, two of them were walking through the city of Agra. और वो दोनों उसका जो virtual guide था और दोनों walk कर रहे थे towards the city of Agra. They reached the Taj Mahal, which looked as beautiful as painting in the moonlight. Raman was spellbound. और वो कैसा हो गया? Spellbound हो गया. वो कुछ बोल नहीं पाया. As they neared the main town, then saw an old man with a long beard gazing the top, thoughtful. So what told Raman, looked at this Ustad Ahmad Lahori. He was the chief architect of this magnified tomb. ये कौन है? ये chief architect है इस magnified tomb के. क्या नाम था? Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Raman was full of questions and he turned to Somnath and said, "This is a grand building. Where did the marble and the jam come from?" ये जो marble है, जो gems इसमें लगे हैं, ये कहाँ से आए हैं? The marble came from the place of Makarnar in Rajasthan. The gems आपके एशिया, अफगानिस्तान, श्रीलंका, टर्की से आए हैं and China, तिब्बत और ईरान से. The workers also came far away from countries. और जो workers हैं ये भी far away countries से आए. Raman looked excited that Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shahjahan was not it. I would really like to know why he built such a grand monument. कि जो शाहजहां ने ताजमहल बनाया मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने इतनी सुंदर मॉन्यूमेंट इतनी सुंदर बिल्डिंग क्यों बनाई. His guide smiled and said, "Emperor built it to remember his wife, Mumtaz Mahal." क्योंकि वो उनसे बहुत प्यार करते थे. He loved her very much. It took 20 years and 22,000 workers to build this beautiful form. 20 साल लगे और 22,000 workers ने इनको बनाया. Raman turned to look at the Taj Mahal once again. It was full moonlight. The Taj Mahal shone like jewel. Raman was in wonder में था, उसको watch कर रहा था. And then Somnath spoke. This will be the end of your tour, Raman. Hope you enjoyed the experience. मैं hope करता हूँ कि तुमने इस experience को enjoy करा था. Raman removed his helmet and shook his head slowly in the basement. It was the most wonderful experience he ever had. वो सबसे wonderful experience था जो उसने कभी करा. Hope you understood the chapter. It was very interesting. That's all for today. Thank you.